state has formally withdrawn from the Supreme Court case challenging the constitutionality of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. According to documents obtained by the News Agency of Nigeria in Makurdi, the withdrawal application dated October 23rd was filed by Mr. Fidelis Umyim on behalf of the Benue State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice and Public Order. The withdrawal notice specifically states, "Take notice that Attorney General of Benue State, who is the 8th plaintiff, at this moment discontinues the suit against the Attorney General of the Federation, the defendant." This development follows Governor Yasin's alias decisive action on Wednesday, when he indefinitely suspended the Attorney General for involving the state in the legal challenge without proper consultation. In his statement, Governor Alia emphasized the importance of due process, stating that no appointee should act unilaterally on sensitive matters without seeking appropriate permission. The governor further reinforced his administration's commitment to accountability, noting ongoing collaborations with the EFCC and ICPC to address financial impropriety within the state. The case, initially filed by 19 states, questions the legal foundation of the EFCC, an institution established in 2003 to combat financial crimes, including money laundering, advance fee fraud, and public funds mismanagement. Stay informed with more news updates at NaijaNews TV.